5 issues that hit the American public, the 3 major ones, and then critical race theory and the liberal transgender activist movement, you have 99.99% of Republicans that are united. You are united where you can be. That is a slam dunk.
I wouldn't know that, though, because I'm not here.
No, you're not. That's why.
That's the point.
And that's why I'm saying that's where they have to go, because they're not there.
And how was that not happening during the election cycle?
Can't worry about what has not happened, as you just said. We have to worry about
but you can learn from it. You also build the history and the tendency, and the tendency is zero. And this is why we can't find a leader. Okay, it'll be Mitch McConnell, but we really can't find a leader in the GOP and the Senate because they don't exist. Nobody's bringing that party together.
I understand the problem. I'm simply saying what they should do. I'm not saying they can. I'm not saying they can do it.
I get it.
Saying what they should, what they need to do in order to win.
I'm with you. And my confidence is zero. They're going to have to. Tell me where I'm wrong.
Hey, you're not.
Yeah.
That's why. Zero. That's why I'm sitting here saying this should be their plan because it hasn't been their plan.
I'm with you.
And I don't know. And there's no reason that I should be saying it. They should be saying it.
Record inflation for a generation.
Look, I'll say it again. I have every confidence they'll blow this too.
I hope not.
866-90 Red Eye.
Lines open for your calls. 866-90 Red Eye on Red Eye Radio.
If you like listening to Red Eye on Demand, we have more air economy jet streaming. Download RER's Extra Mile podcast. More topics and issues discussed.
Tis the season for pro drivers to rack up loyalty points faster when you activate Push for Points in the My Rewards Plus app. Earn more loyalty points faster and use your points to treat yourself to a huge selection of in-store items like snacks, drinks, merch, and so much more. Activate Push for Points and earn up to 4 points per gallon after just 6 fills instead of 15 fills like the other guys. Download the My Rewards Plus app and activate Push for Points today. Only at Pilot Flying J. See pilotflyingj.com/terms and conditions for My Rewards Plus terms and conditions.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scales. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at redeyeradioshow.com.
If you depend on a truck to make a living, then American Trucker is for you. Every day, Trucker.com is packed with information you need to keep your truck running and the money rolling. From new products to the latest in regulations, American Trucker has what you need to know. American Trucker staff knows that you are running a small business, and they work hard to bring you news and information that matters. So don't miss American Trucker's free newsletter. Go to Trucker.com. That's Trucker.com and sign up today. Sponsored by Fleet Owner.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings are happening at Shreve & Company.
None of your friends have ever seen diamonds like these.
Shreve diamonds throw jagged shards of light across the room.
Like a disco ball gone out of control.
No one will be able to look away.
Magical diamonds.
For magical women.
Nothing is quite so elegant as a perfectly matched pair of diamond stud earrings.
Diamond earrings go with everything.
You can wear them with evening gowns
or blue jeans.
The perfect illumination for a woman's face.
Is a perfectly matched pair of diamond earrings.
Let there be light.
Let it be, let it be, let it be.
You can trust Shreve & Company to have diamond earrings that exceed all others.
Shreve & Company, when only the best will do.
Shreve & Company, luxury timepieces, fine designers, and flawless diamonds.
You'll find Shreve in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
And the world's most beautiful jewelry store is the flagship Shreve at 150 Post, off Union Square.
What do you do if you can't pay your taxes? Turn your tax problems over to us so we can negotiate with the government for you. And in almost all cases, you don't have to deal with the government. Take advantage of all your qualified options, like offering compromise, pay only part of what you owe, either in monthly installments or one payment. Monthly payment plan that works for you is acceptable to the government. Penalty forgiveness, hardship deferral. The government leaves you alone until you overcome your challenge, such as job or business loss, illness, or other situation. Innocent spouse. If your former spouse causes tax problems, shift it to them, where it belongs, or other individual solutions. We discuss your case with you so you'll have a complete understanding of how we plan to help you. We'll work with your current year situation before it becomes a tax problem, because we want to put a final end to all your tax problems. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL or MoskowitzLLP.com. MoskowItzLLP.com.
Tri Radio, he's Eric Cronin, I'm Gary McNamara, 866-90 Red Eye. So then you talk about that would be the first step, and the second step is whoever becomes the nominee for for the Republicans in 2024 needs to be a part of leading that effort if they could ever get a united front to continue that united front, just like Reagan got way back then. You can go back through history and see, how political parties succeed. And if you have, because remember, the Democratic Party and Biden have all embraced their insane narrative. They've been unified behind it. And they're not going to succeed long term because the policies are insane. But right now, they think it's worked. But they have been able to move it forward in their direction, at least temporarily. Right. Now, imagine what you could do as a political party that is united. And so you don't have to unite on every issue. There's issues you can. But on the issues you can. The problem is, it is proven through his term, Trump cannot unite and has no interest in uniting the Republican Party. He has no interest in doing it. None. And you have to do it. Everybody has to be on the same message in order to hopefully get maximum success in not just putting forth your message, but turning that into legislation, because you've gone to the American people on these issues and said, these are the important issues. We know it. This is a solution. You know it.
This is why DeSantis right now is getting the attention. After last Tuesday in Florida, there was something that was very clear, and it may be exclusive to his state. Many believe it's not, but his ability to carry the party in his state is undeniable. And that's what people want to see in leadership. You build that consensus. You build that united front. And that will also be the test for DeSantis if he becomes the nominee and then eventually becomes president. He's going to have to work the party to get his agenda done. I think Trump was able to do a number of things. We talked about corporate taxes getting to 21% and things that were good things. But there are so many things right now, the list is very, very long, and you've really got to bring the party together, and you've got to bring independents with you and everything else. So that's going to be one of the first tests for DeSantis, and the question is, does Trump have the ability to do that?
No.
Many believe he does not. I don't believe he does.
He doesn't.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis, you've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in